Guys, good afternoon. That is Pavilion, Asian City Pavilion. I forgot the name, but it's a pavilion. No? We'll go here. Yan. And also, guys, ayan, dyan kami kanina galing kumain. Yan. No? Doon sa kabila. So, here. Here. If we will go there, what we can see inside. Here inside the Asian City, guys. This is what you, ito yung makikita mo, guys, pag pumasok ka ng Asian City. Yan. No? Maybe yung iba nga taga-Thailand, hindi pa siguro nakapunta rin dito. Pag pumasok ka, guys, dito, kung anong booking, may libre siya na, no? Buffet. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah. Asian group. How much is the cost of an ice cream? 35 baht? Okay. 35 baht is equivalent to times 2 kasi siya, guys. 1.75. So, it's almost 60 pesos. Wow. Very good in this area, no? You can take picture on this area. It's very, very nice. So guys, no, punta tayo dito. Kasi doon pa sila eh. So ako na lang muna mag-explore mauna. Yan guys, ito yung beauty dito. Yan. Ito yung paligid niya guys, no? We'll start here. Yan. Then pali may tubig siya guys, no? Parang siguro parang floating, pero ginawa talaga, parang made talaga of made of lang, ginawa ng tao. Yung iba kahoy siya guys, wood siya, kasi yung iba natatanggalan yung kanyang gold plated, no? Kahoy siya guys, kahoy. Even yung inatakan ko, kahoy. So, tingnan natin kung anong nakikita natin dito. Napakahaba rin ang lalakarin. It's okay. Isa pa daw. Yan guys. Yan yung makikita mo dito. Hindi pa sila umiikot eh. That's why tayo iikot na. Dito tayo dadaan kasi mas marami dito. Yan yung dyan, view. Okay. So ako na muna, pumasok na ako guys, para maya labas na ako. Excuse me.
Dari sini ya, Pak.
Guys, no. Yan. Diyan na side, hindi na tayo punta. Dito lang tayo punta sa main. Yan. Ito yung main. Para mamaya, when I go outside, magpicture na lang ako. No? Ito, makikita mo yung beauty niya guys. Pag na. No? On this side, yan. Yan lang. Diba? So, you can, yan. Pasok tayo dito. Oh! I'm in the wrong way. I cannot go on that side. We cannot go inside because gina-repair siya, guys. Pero pinapakita ko lang sa iyo na, yan. Diyan lahat ng kanyang mga, pang hindi clear. Yan. Kasi hindi tayo para makapasok guys, kaya may harang. May halang siya. You cannot get in. So babalik tayo. Okay. So we'll go back. Oh. Go back and I'll just take a picture guys. Tapos magano ako. Magpipicture on this side. Yan ha. Go back. And take a picture. Ayan. Yan yung makikita mo. So, good afternoon and God bless everyone.